Welcome back to Mystery Side Hustle, where I, as a 12-year and counting mystery shopper, share how you too can become a mystery shopper to make hundreds of dollars per day, get free stuff like food, gas, spa visits, hotel stays, vacations, you name it, you can get it for free as a mystery shopper. And I share my tips and tricks on how you can crush it as a mystery shopper to supplement your income or to be a full-time mystery shopper if you are in between jobs. So today I am going to share with you how you can make $300 and also receive a free dental visit. Now this is going to be for people that reside in Idaho, but this can also pertain to where you live, but you must be signed up with these different mystery shop companies. Now, in order to make sure you are always getting opportunities like this, you need to make sure you are signed up with as many mystery shop companies as possible. So, on my website, moneystrugglesuccess.com, right here is a mega list of companies. I give you a ton of information on mystery shopping right here as well. But this is the big list of companies that I have shopped with or I have also been contact with to ensure that they are as legit as possible. You never, ever, ever have to pay to be a mystery shopper, and I'll go more into that. But this is where you want to go to know where you can sign up to be a mystery shopper to get money like this, free things, and so much more. Now, within that big list of mystery shop companies, you will find IntelliShop. When you click on the website, you will come over here to these three lines, and then you will see something called Shopper Hub. When you click on that, you will definitely come to this page here. Now, if you are new to the company, you will see how you're able to become a shopper. You will register here, but I'm already a shopper, so I would go here. So if you're like me, you would just click here. I always tell everyone when you're going to sign up with a new company, check out their FAQ and whatever other information they have on their site so you can be better educated about the company you're about to work with. You never, ever, ever pay anybody to be a mystery shopper. Always remember that. So let's get down to the shop details. As you see here, this shop is due 10/30/22 and you are able to start shop right now if you live in Idaho. You will be paid $300. This is what shoppers pay means. Is what they will pay you. Shoppers expense limit is $320. So if you have to do some type of deposit or whatnot for this visit, you will pay out of pocket and you will be completely reimbursed 100%. Now, you don't always have shops that ask for you to pay some type of money out of pocket, but if you love to eat and you love to do different type of visits, especially go on vacations like Disney World and things like that, you will typically pay out of pocket. Well, sometimes they will give you those free tickets. So it really depends and it's your choice to choose to do the shop or not. Going into detail about this particular shop. It's a recorded appointment shop. You are going to basically record your visit at a dental or medical office. So this will need to be scheduled at least 2 weeks in advance so that they have enough time to mail you the camera. So you don't even have to worry about having the equipment on hand. There are mystery shops for people who own video equipment that makes a ton of money. I mean, hundreds and hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars per visit because these type of shops need people that have that equipment. But for this one, they're going to actually give you the equipment so you can actually earn $300 for this visit. Now, the shop overview is very important. I like to always tell people read the information, understand it, and if you ever have questions, at the bottom, you have the scheduler to contact for that. So for this one, for this shop, you will be visiting a dental or medical office to complete a short introductory appointment. You will be fully reimbursed for your appointment there and would need to record the process using the button camera we will be sending you. We will also provide a training process for the button camera to make sure you are able to use it without problems. Now, if you're saying to yourself, what is an introductory appointment? Well, I actually looked up the company for this mystery shop, and this is what they're saying you can expect on your first appointment. I doctored it a little bit just to conceal the doctor name so you will not have a clue if you live in Idaho. So when you enter their doors, they want you to feel comfortable, heard, and cared for. You're greeted by the receptionist. And then if you've been there before, they go over your chart, make sure everything is up to date. Now, if you're new, you will get a tour of the actual office, which will end up with you getting your own room and you will be greeted with a patient gift. And you'll be offered their comfort menu, which include items like a beverage, warm blanket, and earbuds. Like I've never been to a dentist office where I got any of that. You'll be set up to meet your wonderful hygienist, where they'll be able to take x-rays and get your health information up to date for your chart. And then from that moment, you'll be introduced to the dentist, where they will start to assist in creating a plan to reach your oral health goals that is unique to you. This place is phenomenal already. If everything they say here is indeed true, like I would go there. All right, so we are now back at the mystery shop. And if you find that you like this type of shop and you want to fulfill the requirements, all you have to do is once you get on this shop page, is go all the way down to the very bottom, fill out the information here, choose your date, and then click on apply. This way, the actual recruiter will see your application. They will go through your profile to see if you have any kind of citations, maybe reach out to you via email to see if you're able to fulfill the requirements, because if you're very new, you may not be able to get it because of your experience level. But all that will be worked out when you apply and reach and get reached out by that recruiter. But again, if you are looking for more opportunities, more ways to get free doctor's visits, free oil changes, and other things like that, I implore you to check out my page, my FAQ playlist, to answer those burning questions you may have, and also to subscribe and share, as this is the best way, the best side hustle for anybody to consistently make money, to earn free things, to get free things. Is I mean, this is a lifesaver for myself, which is why I'm still doing it 12 years later.